What's up, everyone? Optic Hobby, color number 27. Good luck. Let's see a monster banger. Big banger, big banger, big banger. Yeah. Big banger, big banger. Come on. You know, Kitson, it is funny though. Like price per value. This is probably one of the best breaks that we have in the store with the talent, with the autograph chase with Steph Curry that signs, with the vinyls of guys like LeBron, Giannis, Mitchell, Steph, Edward, Ant-Man. Are you sure he doesn't sign in this one? He doesn't have an optograph? Are you certain? I recall that he signs in all of the I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Could absolutely be wrong. Don't get me wrong. For sure. I know Luca signs. I remember that Luca had autos. I know Larry Bird has autos. I know the typicals have autos. Pretty sure Manu Ginobili, Tony Parker, the typicals. I think Barkley signs in this. I'm pretty sure Rodman signs in the retro series. Pretty sure Akeem signs. Come on, I want to see a vinyl. Give me one of those three vinyl. Give me one of those three vinyl optic cases. Good luck, guys. This will probably be my last break of the day. Good luck. Kuminga. Nikola Jokic. Nice Giannis orange. Speaking of Giannis. Preston. Patty Williams. Here's a lime. There's Franz. Kai Jones. Wieskamp. We have a piece. Oh, God, it's Isaiah Jackson. Ask me how I knew. Somebody asked me how I knew that was Isaiah Jackson. Because we hit him like, and it's, oh. Very nice on the black velocity. Right at the end there. Nice Jaylen Brown. Not the best centering, though. 20 of 39. Case dead, case revived. Mobley. Giddy up on the Hollow Non. Pink Velocity of Kawhi Leonard. I'm going to case up every Queta just for the fun of it. Herb Jones on the Hollow. I wish you were here, you know, 3 years ago, 3.5 years ago, Kitson. It was the funniest thing, man. Every case. Every case. Isaiah Jackson, no matter what products, Select, Optic, Prism. Isaiah Jackson, Isaiah Jackson, Isaiah Jackson. It was hilarious. Isaiah Jackson and then Isaiah Todd for the Wizards. It was always that order. If there's an Isaiah Todd over here, you should let me go. Correct. I don't know who he is in Topps Chrome. Who was the signature series for Miami that you guys were always hitting the auto of? The Shield auto out of Topps Chrome Hobby. Who's that one guy you guys always hit in like every single case? I didn't do a ton of Topps Chrome Hobby, but I know. Was it Udolis or? Was it Jaquez? Maybe, maybe. I know that you guys kept hitting like one guy in the signature styles, the one that has the shield on it. I know you guys on the main were like hitting it like crazy too. Butler on the Hollow. There's a Cade Hollow on the 75th anniversary. Ant-Man Hollow. Bam Hollow. Suggs. Scary Terry on the orange. Jalen Johnson. I'm sorry, Skeet. Don't yell at me. Don't yell at me, Kitson. Don't yell at me, Skeet. There is a Jalen Johnson on the Optigraph. This case had nothing but base autos so far. Insane. Primo. Lulu. Cade. Maladon. Second year on the red. Nimius Queta. Book Knight. Really? Lime. Trey Man. Little bit of a fingernail dent thingy in that, unfortunately. If I hit like a big colored one, sure, but Springer Dinger. If it was the true, I would understand, not the insert. Hello, Mr. Clemos. How can I may help you today? I don't know that I would quit after an Optigraph, but I mean, I'm not gonna encourage otherwise. You do you. Don't let me change your game plan. Regardless, I appreciate it, and I'll be back tomorrow with more. So. Yeah, I mean, like honestly, I feel like, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, Optic's always been that way. Like sometimes first box, hey, fuck it, we got the nuts and everything else, but we've had nothing but base autos so far. So it kind of feels like a gold vinyl, so it feels that way. I can't promise. I can't promise. Brandon Boston would be the correct answer there, Mango. Brandon Boston. All right, recap on 27. Number 28 and number 29 is in the store, guys. If you want to attack that, Bobo can definitely do more for you guys. Gold Santa Claus Aldama. Nice black velocity of Jaylen Brown. Isaiah Jackson and Jalen Johnson. I'm not going to lie. When I saw the red, I honestly thought it might have been Isaiah Todd up until I seen the Hawks logo. I was like, oh, shit.